Have you ever found yourself in Norway, wishing you could pay for something but not having cash on hand? Or maybe you've heard about this app called Vipps and wondered how it works. Well, you're in the right place. Imagine being able to pay for your groceries, coffee, or even public transportation with just a simple tap on your phone. Sounds pretty convenient, right? That's where Vipps comes in. Vipps is a Norwegian mobile payment app that's revolutionized the way people pay for things in the country. It's essentially a digital wallet that allows you to store money, transfer funds, and make payments quickly and securely. But here's the catch: Vipps is primarily designed for Norwegian residents. So, if you're a foreigner looking to use Vipps, you might be wondering how it's possible. The short answer is, it's not easy. Vipps is closely tied to the Norwegian banking system, and it's designed to cater to the needs of Norwegian consumers. However, there are a few potential workarounds that you can explore. Open a Norwegian bank account. This is the most straightforward way to get Vipps. If you have a Norwegian bank account, you can usually download the Vipps app and link it to your account. Keep in mind that opening a Norwegian bank account might require you to have a Norwegian address and provide certain documents. Use a Norwegian SIM card. Some people have reported success in using Vipps by obtaining a Norwegian SIM card. This might give you access to Norwegian banking services and allow you to download the Vipps app. However, this method can be a bit more complicated and may involve additional fees. Use a third-party service. There are some third-party services that claim to help foreigners use Vipps. These services might involve additional fees and might not be entirely reliable. Do your research and read reviews before considering this option. Additional tips. If you're planning to visit Norway, it's a good idea to check with your bank or credit card company to see if they offer any mobile payment services that work in Norway. This might be a more convenient option for short-term visitors. Remember that Vipps is not the only payment method available in Norway. You can still use credit cards, debit cards, and cash for many transactions. Getting Vipps as a foreigner can be challenging, but it's not impossible. If you're determined to use this popular Norwegian payment app, consider the options we've discussed and weigh the pros and cons. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, if you have any questions or experiences with Vipps, feel free to share them in the comments below.